Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be running you through on how I make this delicious fried yam and grilled fish. The first thing you need to do is to slice up your yam. The way I'm gonna make it look like chips, the potato chips you guys enjoy with barbecue fish. Yeah, that's how it's going to be. So I'm making it as in, like, looking at it, it's not that tiny. I want it this way. So if you want it to be smaller, it all depends on you. So after slicing the yam, I have to wash. I wash like twice to remove the starch. Then what I did here, I added ice water because I'm going to be soaking it in ice for about an hour, at least up to 1 hour. You can go longer, like if you're not in a hurry, you can soak even up to 3 hours. So the essence of soaking in this ice water is to help it come out crunchy, which you can still achieve if you don't soak it in water. You can add the water directly to the oil while frying. Remember, you have to add, if you are soaking in water, you still have to add salt. Add enough salt. So after like 30 minutes of soaking our yam, I'll come to the fish. So I'm making some incisions so that the spice will really get into the fish. So because of the incisions I made, some drops of blood from the fish and water is coming, so you have to pat it dry with some paper towel. So to season the fish, I'm going to be using some black pepper, thyme, smoked paprika, some fish seasoning, onion powder, and ginger and garlic. No salt. So remember, the fish seasoning contains some salt. But if you want to make it as in so sweet and sweet, you can add little bouillon cube. Me, I am not adding. So I'm going to be mixing up everything, mix it up, and then I'll introduce little vegetable oil. So I'm gonna be using my brush to mix up everything. What do we do next with it? So we're going to be using the spice to romance, massage this fish. Oh god, I just feel like someone would do this to me right now. Rub it in, like all the incisions. Make sure that the spice gets into it. Open the fish mouth and head and then put everything inside. We really want this to be spicy. So as you can see, the fish is already in the grill. It's chilling there. It's chilling. So this is after like 5 minutes, and as you can see, the thing is coming out. So I needed to add more spice on it. Though you can skip this part if you don't really want it to be spicy. But me, I am going to be adding extra spices on this fish. So this is my sweet bell pepper, that is tatashi, and the green one there is unripe scotch bonnet. Yes, there is this flavor it adds to this pepper sauce. Because it's almost time for me to fry my yam, so I want to be multitasking, that is making the pepper sauce together with the yam. So I've added a ball of onion to the oil. It's now time to fry. Please remember that those bell peppers, you have to cut them open and remove the seeds. If not, you're going to get a bitter pepper sauce. Oh please, if you haven't liked this video, Or if you are new here and you've not subscribed, please, this is the right time to do that. Thank you. I am is just ready. I'm bringing them out now. This is just the first batch, so I'll go ahead to fry the remaining batch. So as the second one is frying, to this my pan, I added little oil, that is vegetable oil. I just added some onion now and little salt. So I will saute for like a minute. This is the blended pepper. So this is how it came out. See, I somehow left it to over dry. Normally it's not supposed to be this. The water hasn't, there is still supposed to be some moist in it. So what I will do, I'll add little water myself. So now I'm adding some oil from the one we are using to fry. There is a reason. It gets why. Because remember that there is onion in that oil I'm using to fry that yam. So the onion has released this, oh god, unique flavor to the oil. So if you add it to this pepper sauce, Jesus. So at this point, I've added little water though off camera to loosen up the sauce. So it is balanced now. Remember, it doesn't need to be spicy and spicy. I just added little bouillon cube, just half of 1 bouillon cube, yes. And now everything is ready. Guys, look at this fish, Jesus. Even if you don't like yam, this fish will make you to finish a bowl, one big bowl of fried yam. I'm telling you, it's so tasty. Like the sauce really entered inside. Hey, who wouldn't love a meal like this? Because no, subscribe. If you are new here, subscribe to this channel. Like also. I don't know if you've been sharing my videos. It's not fair. How will you come and let and see something like this and you keep it all to yourself? Please share my video to your family and friends. Guys, I am enjoying. The people by my side, they are just eyeing me like, you want to finish everything? Because it's so delicious. Like I tell you, I'm not hyping, but I'm being frank. Like it's so tasty. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.